The Sikkim Organic Mission, conceptualized by the Honorable Chief Minister back in 2003, is no stranger to the rest of India. Millions of Indian viewers were introduced to this ingenious flagship project of Government of Sikkim through Satyamev Jayate, a popular talk show hosted by Amir Khan in 2012.
पवन जी, आपकी सरकार ने ये निर्णय क्यों लिया कि आपके राज्य में सिर्फ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग होनी चाहिए?
लॉन्ग टर्म में इससे ज़्यादा फायदा होगी, उत्पादन बढ़ेगी और हमारे जितना भी वहाँ का फर्टिलिटी है वो हमेशा एक सस्टेनेबल होगा। हमारा जितना उत्पादन वहाँ होगा उसका डिमांड दुनिया में और ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा और साथ ही हमारा जो माल है उसका दाम भी ज़्यादा मिलेगा।
The Organic Mission of Sikkim remains a talking point in the world, increasingly concerned about use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers in agricultural products. The mission wants to convert Sikkim into a totally organic state by 2015, whereby any agricultural produce from the state is grown using organic fertilizers and healthy for consumption.
जो सिक्किम को प्रत्येक सिक्किमेको हो यो प्रत्येक मान्छेले आफ्नो तरफ आफै यसको इनिसिएटिभ लिनुपर्छ। आवश्यक यसमा हामी चाहिँ इन्भल्भ हुनुपर्छ। आन्दोलन हो यो, अभियान हो यो अभियानमा चाहिँ हामी सबै संलग्न हुनुपर्छ। हामीले पार्टिसिपेसन देखाउनुपर्छ।
Cuba would always be known as the first in the world to have adopted such large-scale organic farming. However, Cuba resorted to such farming practices as a compulsion due to long-standing trade embargo with other nations. Sikkim voluntarily adopted to go organic under the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister. The state thus remains the foremost democratic model in the world on organic farming. The process for bringing the total cultivable land of 58,168 hectares under organic farming commenced at ground levels from 2010. Agencies accredited by Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority are certifying the organic process in Sikkim in 3 phases. Organic produce of Sikkim, mostly vegetables, would not only fetch more value for the Sikkimese farmers but also offer multiple benefits to the state. Organic status is going to supplement the ecotourism of Sikkim, another visionary initiative of the Honorable Chief Minister. Tourism stakeholders of Sikkim are convinced that Organic Mission, when connected with ecotourism, would be a double attraction for tourists, particularly at homestays. Visitors can enjoy the natural beauty of Sikkim but also gain health benefits by consuming organic products. Through this initiative, the value of Sikkim ecotourism is bound to enhance. The government of Sikkim stepped into Organic Mission process from 2003, the year when it stopped imports of chemical fertilizers in the state. Since then, the cultivable land in Sikkim are practically organic, and also farmers of Sikkim are traditional users of organic manure. Sikkim organic retail stores have been started by Government of Sikkim in New Delhi and plans to open more in major cities of India to market the organic products of Sikkim. It is expected that Sikkim would get organic certification by the year 2015.